Let's meet Josiah. Josiah is majoring in marketing and is the student body president at Northwestern. But before that, he served in many leadership development roles. His story really shows the agility of the School of Business at UNW, as well as the intentionality in preparing him to lead not only at Northwestern, but in the business world. Take it away, Josiah.
Thanks, Alex. I'm glad to be here. When I was first looking for colleges, I wanted to find a place where I could not only get a quality education, but also grow in my spirituality and relationship with Christ. At University of Northwestern, I've lived on campus each year, and I'm so grateful for the community and the opportunities to serve others. My leadership journey began with a resident assistant position, which for me opened the door into what it looked like to serve as a Christ-like leader on my campus. After that, I served as the assistant resident director for the men's halls, and this year as the student body president for Northwestern. I'm really excited to see how God works through our team as we strive to benefit and also serve our students here. I wouldn't be where I am today without all the connections I've made. In my marketing classes, my core curriculum, and also Bible classes, I've met so many amazing students and faculty. My marketing courses and leadership opportunities have prepared me in so many ways. My marketing advisor has been instrumental in guiding me through determining what courses to take and career goals to set. In terms of extracurriculars and electives, I've loved being a part of choir. I love to sing, and choir is a way for me to use that talent. I've made so many friends through choir, and being able to be a part of that community is awesome, especially when we can perform for schools and churches outside Northwestern. I've been able to work on fun and valuable projects, gain teamwork experience, and have been given so much freedom to be creative. Some of my favorite projects from a business class include creating promotional videos. For one project, I worked with a team to produce a campaign and advertisement for a local Chick-fil-A. I got to write, direct, and perform in it, which was a lot of fun, and we even got to present our ideas to the Chick-fil-A managers. I'm so excited to take everything I've learned and apply it after graduation. Well, that's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Josiah, it is so cool that you got to direct, produce, and star in that commercial. That is awesome. It's clear to see that you have a passion for the Northwestern community through your involvement around campus. And thanks for telling us about how UNW is preparing you for life beyond graduation. That is amazing. Thanks again.